This will be a video tutorial on how to turn on live captions in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. To turn on live captions in Windows 11, the first thing you want to do is go down to your taskbar down here, and you want to click on the little magnifying glass. Then in this little search box up here, you want to type in Settings. And then down here off to the right, you can see the Settings app here. I'm going to click on that. Now in this new dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Accessibility. Then in the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the hearing section, and you want to click on Captions. Then from here, right in here, Live Captions, you want to toggle this on. Now the first time you toggle it on, it will ask you if you want to download. And to use the live captions on Windows 11, you have to download the language files. I'm going to move this out of the way here. And from here, you can also, press the Windows logo key plus Control plus L to turn on live captions. And down below here, caption style, you can customize the captions down here. It has a little window here that shows you what it's going to look like. Right now I have it on yellow and blue. I'm going to click it on default here. Default, it's kind of a black and white, black background with white text. But you have different choices here. You could go with large text, and that's what it looks like there. You have an assortment of different things you could do here. You could also click on Edit to further customize it. Right up here you have tabs. You got a tab for the text. You can change the color of the text right in here. You could click on background and you can change the background here. You can also change the window color. I'm going to go back to text. You can change your font style. You could add effects. You do all kinds of things, but that is how you turn on live captions in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.